Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today we're going to introduce you one of our valve assembly from our company. And now, please follow me. Let's see the details of this valve assembly together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages. It is kind of blue VCI anti-rust bag. And here this is the product SKU. For this one, the product code is F00RJ01704. 120 series, China made brand new. Actually here, Caitlin wanted to mention that for this kind of the logo, the label, the packages, etc., we can make the customized service for our customers. So any of the customers, if you have this demand, please feel free to contact us. And now I will open it to check the inside details for you. Well, take a look. And for the inside, we use this kind of the transparent bottles to package it. It's very hard. It's very hard. Can be better protect the product during the transportation, and you can open it in this way. This is the oil paper. That's the valve assembly. We're not only selling the whole side, we also sell the separate parts like this kind of valve cap and this valve rod. If you look carefully, we find in this position on the valve cap, there is the coating figures here. That's the valve rod. And for our valve assembly, we should supply with 6 months warranty time in this period. Any of our customers, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can return or exchange it. Here, Caitlin has 3 tips we want to share with you. The first tip is, if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is, when you install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rods can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for the valve assembly introduction. Actually, we're not only selling the control valve, we also supply the injector, the pumps, the repair kits, etc. Any of the product, if you are interested in, please feel free to contact us because we have the Facebook and the YouTube account. And also we have the WhatsApp, the phone numbers, and our own the website. Just one way, feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for watching. Let's see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.